Hello, good afternoon. So today I'm going to be trying a new tinted moisturizer. Well, actually it's called, yeah, it is a tinted moisturizer. This is Prime Skin CC Plus in medium. I thought that was a good match. What do you guys think? Here she comes. I think that's probably a pretty good match. Perfect. Oh, perfect. Well, it's a little cool actually. Let's see how it settles into the skin. I also have it in rich, so I thought I would like contour and bronze. You guys can always try using products in different ways and, you know, work with it. I love this. I love using like a darker shade, like a rich shade to use to bronze. I just bronzed up my skin. That's really pretty. Love. I'm going to try a light color for concealer. Mix these two, medium and rich, together to get. I like it. You know I'm a bronze queen, so I went in and I just went a little bit more all around the face. I want to try to do my under eyes, but I like a very, very bright under eye, so I'm not sure what's going to happen, but let's check it out. I'm using the color light. I don't think it's going to be light enough, but for some people who like a very light coverage, oh, this is nice. Actually, it's quite nice. I'm using the tinted moisturizer as a concealer because I like trying different things with different products. I'll kind of just go over and kind of like sculpt with it. So I'm using 3 different colors under the nose, of course, to get rid of the redness. And up here, maybe a little bit right here. I love how this looks. Like I did the whole face just using those 3 products, but I am going to brighten my eye just a little bit because I'm her. I did my eyebrows already, and believe it or not, I'm running out of my favorite product. Like there's like nothing in here. Damn, this is the Kush High Roll Brow Tint, my favorite. It's got fibers in it to make your brows even bigger, but look at that. Okay, so let me go and do the rest of my face real quick, and then I will get back to you. Eyeshadow today is Too Faced Born This Way Sunset Stripped. And I went in all over the lid with this color. No, wait, sorry, this color all over the lid, and then this color, and then just deepened it up with the darker browns. And then we just blend with like a blending brush, little circles. Up, 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 and away. And then I'm gonna try some eyeliner and some mascara and see how this all goes down. For my wing liner today, I'm going to use the Prime Prometics liner in Coal. It's pretty cool. It's got a blender on the other side, and I like that a lot. So this is what she looks like. Let me see if I can do a baby wing. Oh yeah, this is super easy to work with. But you know what's really cool? Because it's got the, oh, it's perfect. But if you wanted to blend her out, maybe I'll do a little waterline since I'm here underneath. Well, that's pretty, but it does have this little blender. So if you wanted to blend her out, you could. I did go in and come into the center of the eye here just a tiny, tiny bit, and then tight line the whole damn thing because it's Friday, why not? And then let's go in with the mascara and see how this whole look comes out. All right, while we're moving on with the rest of the makeup, I am going to be using the Wonder Beauty On The Glow Blush and Illuminator. I love this so much. It's so good. We are creamy girls today. We're doing all the creams today. So pretty. With the Wonder, you can also add like the highlighter on the other side. Super glowy, dewy look. And then we'll matte down the places that we don't want matte, but basically we want everything to glow, except for like the parentheses lines in the forehead, but yep. You know what's crazy? I don't even feel like I need to bronze because I was going on with Shades by Shannon, a big fluffy brush. And then we're gonna matte everything out with my most favorite thing in the whole world, Laura Mercier setting powder. They just gave me my own personalized one, so of course, so excited, but I'm not using that yet. I'm gonna wait till I complete this one, because I'm not a wasteful girl. All right, now we're coming in close up for the Prime Lash Lengthening and Volumizing Mascara. So this brand, you guys, it is meant for mature women. So we love a brand that's just made for this, right? So let's see how she works, because you know these lashes, girl, what lashes? You know, that's why I was using the faux lashes, because I love just having like a really, really thick lash. Definitely separating them a lot, but I need length. So I like to hold my mascara up like that. I'm her. But yeah, let's see the other side and see what's up. So that is not bad. Do you see how it separates the lashes? And it definitely does lengthen them. I mean, but the separation, that's pretty cool. The thing I'm most impressed about, let me see if I can just grab it really quick. The liner, because I did a tight line and it did not transfer at all. And I'm kind of surprised, because most liners, when you tight line, they will transfer, and that's why I don't use them. So, wow, that's cool. Lipstick today, I'm so excited. This is the lip liner from Lawless. I literally just got this today. So obviously we're going to do lipstick using my mirror. Look at that color. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh. Well, the texture. I mean, liners are hard. This texture. This is a contour. Let's go in with a Lawless and Annie. Look at that liner. It came off really dark, but it like blended out perfect. I'm kind of shocked. I'm going in for a second coat, and that's pretty crazy because it's a darker color. All right, so these two for the lips. Obsessed. All right, you guys, that's the end of the look. So let me go over everything I use. So I use the Pro Medics Prime Skin CC Cream in medium all over. And then to bronze my face, I use the same product, but in rich. I just did all that bronzing. So good with a cream product. Then for my under eyes, I use their tinted moisturizer in fair as a concealer, and then I added a little bit more of mine just to brighten it up. I'm very impressed by this kohl liner. This is really good. I did that to tight line and do a baby wing, and then I use their Prime Lash Lengthening and Volumizing Mascara for the eyes, and it's pretty good. What do you guys think? Lipstick of the day is Lawless Annie. You guys already know. It's the best nude lipstick of them all. And then this is the Creamy Smooth Glide Definer Liner. Forget the filler. Ultra pigmented. And this is in the color Kiss. Is it color Kiss? Not, yes, I think it is, but oh, perfection. Perfection. That is the whole look. Wanted to come a little bit closer, but I also just want to tell you guys, I love making these videos so much that it's really important for me to come on here and create content and post with you guys, even when my life is not great, because to be honest, this is what brings me joy. Like, I didn't post for a couple of days and I love doing this. So even though my mood might be a little bit lower, I still love this. Thank you for allowing me to come to you guys and post and keep like bringing you content, because this saves me. This saves me. I love making videos more than anything in the whole world. That's why I am so excited and ecstatic to be doing this full time. So thank you guys. And that's, oh, I gotta do my hair. Let's blow out the hair, but then we're done.